This simple salt trick is creating waves, and for good reason. It's helping people achieve what the health industry never could. I first heard about it from James, who transformed his health and energy levels dramatically. Using this hack, James's story has been making rounds, and while some try to silence it, people are catching on. This salt trick is easy to do, incredibly effective, and the results are nothing short of amazing. From the very first day I tried it, I felt a noticeable difference. My energy surged and my body seemed to reset itself. The stubborn bloating, fatigue, and sluggishness I'd been dealing with for years started to fade every morning. I added this salt hack to my routine, and I could feel my body becoming lighter, more balanced and vibrant. My digestion improved, my sleep got better, and I finally started feeling like myself again. The best part, it's natural, simple, and works in harmony with your body. If you're tired of feeling stuck and want a real solution, don't wait. That's exactly why they created Nitrox Pro, because the salt trick is complicated and not practical for daily use. But act fast. Supplies are limited and demand is high. Click the first link in the description now and take the first step toward a healthier, more energized you.